Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode number 2 on the Jeep. Just a couple updates that I'd like to let you guys know. So, we took the carburetor off to clean it again for the second time. Lost some things like that cotter pin there, but no big deal. Alright, so I went ahead and put Marvel Mystery Oil in all the cylinder holes for the spark plug holes. Just wanted to do some filming before the sun went down and give you guys an update. So I changed out this oil line here all the way down. Had to go to the hardware store, cleaned out the fuel pump. It's currently not working for some reason. It was working before, I believe, but not now. Changed out that oil line with some parts from online. Can't remember which one I bought. So here's a fuel line that I took off, and it's in need of some serious cleaning. Totally clogged. I'm gonna try to clean that out today. Let's check it out. So got some carb cleaner here. Gonna spray some down. See what happens. This side is the side that's clogged. Yep, see it's coming out. Oh no, it's going down. I'm just gonna fill it up here. That carb cleaner is not cheap stuff. It's like $7 at the local hardware store here. Went through about 2 cans already. Okay, it's all filled up. Now, let's see what comes out. Yep, that's not good, guys. We got some nasty stuff coming out. Looks like some dirt and an old gas and who knows what. Check out this cool license plate cover I got from a yard sale. Old friend of mine said if you ever put a American flag on the back of your car, cops won't bother you. So a little tip for you travelers out there. So yeah, here we go. I was trying to get this line unclogged and banging it down on the ground and bent up the end, and I ended up cutting it off with a hacksaw. Actually, I used a skill saw, but I cut right where I cut it was where it was clogged. So we're gonna use the rest of the tubing, put it back up on the Jeep, some rubber line, and send it. We're gonna use the rest of this one, put it back up on there. I ended up cleaning that out real good, so don't have to worry about that. Alright guys, this is a quick update of my Jeep. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Smash that bell. See you in the next one.